Susie. And
She's been trying for the last 10 minutes to do an intro. I said, welcome to my world. What she's wanting to say is, welcome to our... Go.
This is the last full week of our van build.
Major building.
Major furniture, getting it in and all the major stuff. And we're hoping to get it done enough so that we can go camping
next week. And she's just been going hysterical here. And today she gets to, I'm not going to show you close. Today she's going to take out my stitches. So this is my last week to probably do a major injury. So we'll see what happens. And together we will say, thanks for watching. And no, try that again. Together. Thanks for watching. I don't know. Well, bless Susie's heart. Come here, Susie. She really, really tried. She just, when you get tickled, you just can't do anything, right?
I couldn't stop laughing.
All right, yeah. It's like in church, you get tickled and you're done. So you tried. It was good. So as she said, it's going to be a full week of the major stuff. I'm going to try to sort out the drain today. She has this, we were going to get like this plain, kind of like pegboard kind of stuff. And she was going to finish off the partitions in there. Instead, we found this at Lowe's with white, so she's going to be putting that in. That doesn't have to be done to go camping. She's going to try to get the slipcover on this custom mattress, factory mattress, but we could camp without that too. We have custom sheets. I'm going to get the drain working, slide in for the refrigerator, and then we'll bring in that last cabinet. It will be a bit tricky getting it locked in, but I'll make it work. That one I may actually drill through the floor on that one as well, and then we get to try out the water system, and we're good. So we have an ambitious week planned, but even if we don't get all of it done, we can still go camping. We're still going camping, aren't we?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. So we're fine. However, but it'd be nice to get a few more things done. So we were about to put in the bed platform so we could run Dave's Hardware, and Susie, we noticed that this part right in here, the bed platform is a little farther away, and so she's going to route out some of the wood so that it'll fit right into this metal bump here. That's my technical term for it, and it'll go nice and flat against. So that means Susie gets to do her router. So I just mounted the slide for the VL60D. It's heavy, it's 60 some pounds. And then this is a pretty heavy slide. I've got it mounted into the floor with 8, I think a number 12 lag screws. Considering running through the floor, but I just don't think I'm going to need to do that. I mean, if it's a total catastrophic wreck, it's going to tear everything up anyway, but I think it'll be fine. Susie, let's look at her. She's over here.
Well, I gotta trim this.
Well, I know you're working on, but
come and look at it.
Okay, let me.
From the other view, actually.
So she's putting like walls on the frame of the partition, and that way you don't see all the pocket holes. Not that we really care what it looks like, but it really separates everything and just finishes them off nicely. So she's getting that done, and then she's already cut. I'll show you. She's made 4 pieces. She actually trimmed this board here, so she needs to paint this edge again. Trimmed it, and that way all 4 pieces will fit. You don't have to have a number, number them, because it was going to require initially up there. It was a little narrower, and so she just went ahead and cut it. And when the mattresses are on, you don't see that wide lip there anyway, and we don't really care. And so here are the boards. Is it 3 or 4 boards?
3.
3 boards to do the.
And I got a really cute place to put them.
Well, we know we're going to put them between the 2 beds, but you've got.
I mean, to store them. Go look in the first section of the bed on the left.
That's where the batteries go.
No, at the other end. Other end.
The first one. Oh, well, and she is smarty. She made a little place right there.
Well, I didn't know what we would use it for.
Oh, it's very serendipity. Great. That worked out. Is that an OSHA way approved way of brad nailing?
You're not supposed to be watching.
I'm just glad I'm not there. It's 60. Yeah, but together, yeah, it's not bad. Well, it's not that hard to move around with two people. It's just awkward. It's about 60-some pounds. So I've got on the slider, I've got it halfway out. It can come all the way out. But when you open this up, this one, all the way open, right where that one is, well, let's just find out. Yeah, that one, I'd have to come out farther so that I can open that latch. So I will have to pull it all the way out, and it locks, and boy, it just clears that countertop. So we've got a fridge freezer here, so you can make this a freezer and this a fridge, and I think you can reverse it, and you can make it all fridge or all freezer, or you can turn off one side if you want. And I can plug this in and go with 12 volt or through my outlet, either one. The only thing, it'll be a little, I'll use zip ties just to kind of hold the cord around the corner, but we wanted to open it this way, so that's going to work great. So ICECO is one of my first major corporate partners because I'd worked with them before I did the Go 20, which we still have, and it's really nice and small, dual freezer and fridge, and then the iCooler as well. So I've had a relationship with them for a while and really appreciate it, and they might want to decide to put some of this lettering on like I added. I think they might think that's a good idea. So thanks so much, ICECO, for being a part of this fan build, which we're almost done. This is not coming out again. So it comes with 4 heavy-duty ratchet straps, and so it locks in there, and then you lift it up, locked in, and it's going to hold tight. Well, I decided just to make these like one-day little episodes. And so yesterday we finished, I got the slide installed super strong, got the refrigerator strapped in, that's all good. Susie cut the pieces for the middle, and she decided it's going to have a gap. She decided to make a small piece so it's be solid all the way across. She began the process of putting in the partitions with that white-sided pegboard kind of material. And then today she's going to start carpeting the back doors. We may hold off on the camping. We just really want to nail it all, get it all done. And today I'm going to get this done. I've got these 2 pieces that fit perfectly that will go down through, and you cannot see it from underneath. Then I can attach a rubber hose if I want to drain it, or just this can drain down into a 5-gallon jug of some sort, or however we decide to do it. And I'm going to use some plumber's putty to seal around there. And then I'm going to get an 1.5-inch pipe that this will actually fit down through. And I'm going to connect at the top just to really make sure that no water can possibly get to the subfloor. But I'm going to seal that as well. So I'm going to kind of go overboard on that. So I'm going to spend the morning getting that exactly the way that I want. And then I'm bringing the cabinet in so I can go ahead and get it wired. And then Susie will work on getting the sink in, and we'll have to spend some time figuring out how to mount it. And you'll see that in the next little episode. And thanks for watching.